Lone working is increasing globally, and it poses a unique set of risks for both workers and companies. In the event of an accident or emergency, help may not be readily available. Lone working is prevalent in many industries, such as manufacturing, property maintenance, and healthcare. By protecting your company's most valuable asset, your employees, you help promote efficient work and peace of mind. Feeling safe is important for everyone. Finns are the happiest people in the world because we know what it means to be prepared. That's why we invented the first emergency phones and continue to engineer and manufacture high-quality lone worker alarm devices for people's safety. Our modern production line enables efficient manufacturing that meets the most demanding quality requirements. Each device is thoroughly tested to ensure high quality and functionality in case of an accident. We're committed to sustainable, energy-efficient production and fast, reliable deliveries that meet our customers' needs. When it comes to individual safety and well-being, we leave nothing to chance. Twig lone worker alarms are trusted by our partners across a range of demanding industries. Our high-quality solutions ensure the security and safety of hundreds of thousands of lone workers in various industries every day. Let's make working alone safer together.